Title of the video is Give Peas a Chance, and the way we're going to do that today is by mulching them and giving them support sticks to climb on. Take a little compost here. I've already started. I'm going to spread some in here pretty thick. And two things the compost does is it helps keep the weeds down, and the other thing is it helps conserve moisture. So when it rains, the water sinks in deeply and doesn't evaporate right away, and helps insulate the peas from getting too hot, just providing sort of a layer, almost like a blanket around them. And one thing I did before I did the mulching is I got down and I weeded this whole area. You can see this guy's already grabbing on to a stick, which is the whole purpose of this stick system. These are sugar snap peas. The specific variety is Sugar Ann. They're a bush style. So again, I'm just gonna mulch around the base here. Support these guys. And then,
whoa, there's like some birds fighting.
Whoa, yeah.
Whoa, that's crazy.
This is kind of an unkempt brush pile. We've got a lot of brush from, again, sticks, trees and shrubs, dead branches, and I just sort of collect it over here and I use it in our fire pit. So I'm just gonna find some sticks that have a lot of branches and twigs coming off of them. And then you might want a couple little low ones too to get the small plants started. So I'll bring these over and we'll finish up this stick sculpture, I call it. I like to put this big one in the middle. Some nice tall one, sort of dead center. These can get chest high. Some people use trellises or poles, chicken wire. I just like this method because it's using something I've already got. I don't have to build anything, I don't have to spend anything. Try to keep it simple. It's something I already have. I just walk over there and grab it. So I got a few little ones. See, we got a little guy right here. These tendrils are reaching out to grab. So if you don't give the peas support, they're just gonna flop over and they're gonna get sort of engulfed in weeds. Again, the two supports that we're providing is the mulch to keep the weeds down so they don't get overtaken, and then the sticks so that they can climb and grow up tall towards the sun.